So, moving forward to more GR bits. This is, I think, original equipment. Aftermarket na to. Pero original equipment siya from Toyota mismo. Same, 6 lugs, and then yung upgraded caliper na GR din. Of course, has to be read. Has to pronounce na I'm GR. This is 265, 60, and 18 inches na mags. Tapos, syempre, GR to. So, parang yero. Sorry kasi, pag sabi mo kasi GR, diba? Yung GR Yaris. Parang, kita mo, carbon fiber. So, parang yero eh. Baka dry yero. Dry yero pa na. Okay na rin, okay na rin.